So you're looking for a specific journal article, but you don't know how to find it. To track it down, you're going to need some details. The reference or citation is a good place to start. In a reference for a journal article, you will usually see the authors of the article, the year it was published, the article title, the journal title, the volume and issue, page numbers, and the DOI, which is a unique identifier for the article. You will need some of these elements to successfully locate the article. The first way you can do this is to enter the article title in Library Search on the library homepage. You'll usually see it in the top few results. From here, there's a couple of ways to access the full text and read the article. You might find a direct link to the full text. Or you may see a Find It at Deakin option, which will lead you to other ways to access the article. Still having trouble finding it? Not every article appears in Library Search, but don't worry, there are other options. The second thing you can try is searching for the journal where the article is published. Use the A to Z journals from the library homepage to search for the title of the journal. This is a longer method, but just as easy. Here you'll see if we have the journal. We might have access through different databases for different date ranges. Check what year the article was published in and select the database that covers that date range. Once you're in the journal, you can access the article by navigating to the year, volume, and issue, or by doing an article title search within the journal. What if you found an article in Google you want to read, but you can't access it? Try our Bookmarklet tool. If the library has a subscription, this tool will give you access. So those were some of the ways to find a specific journal article. If you still need help, reach out to us via chat.